I don't know.
No. Anyways, watching part now. Couple of rockets launch. Wait, we're not ready. Next one's watching soon. Rocket launching. I accidentally ended the video, so part 2. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! Oh, snap! There it goes. Who's gonna get this time? Madison!
Nobody caught it. It was already in my hand.
No, Madison caught it.
Ryan, give it to Ryan. Stop. Just give it to Ryan.
I got it first.
Stop.
You did get it first.
Yes,
Nice
you
job.
did.
Anyway, so sorry. That's part 2. You might notice some raindrops come on screen soon. Said it's gonna start raining pretty much any minute now. So let me tell you. Anyways, gonna climb back up. Wait! No! I'm gonna count on 5! 5! Yeah, my real name's Dylan. 6, 5, 4.
No. What, Dominic? Okay. Hold that down to
I'm doing the car right now.
down, and then when I want to do it, hold that down to hold it.
Oh my God.
Down, and then press that one. Okay.
Doing the rocket launching here at this random park in Derby, Connecticut. Ball shelter.
One, stop! There we go.
Remember what happened with the black one? And butter. Oh, someone caught it! Someone caught it! They caught it. Nice. Oh.
Yeah, that was close. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, smoky is that. Holy cow. Raindrops might come on, like I said, but it's starting to rain right now. Felt some drops. Anyways, this is part 2. I'm pretty sure there might be a part 3. Who knows? Hopefully it's just part 1 and 2, but you know, who knows? Anyways, hey, I won. Anyways, we're just gonna wait for the next launch. We're ready! We should take off any second now. My lens are all nasty.
You ready, John?
Yep.
Give me a 5.
On the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, holy cow. I can barely.
That was the highest one. That was the highest one.
Oh.
That one's going to be gone. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Guys, yeah.
Say goodbye.
That's somebody's house.
No, that's a football field. Well, the one in truck, whatever.
Are you gonna
Not dark. Oh, it's gone. As I saw. That one's long gone. I have a flash on now. I still have 500 more. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh God. Ooh.
Nice.
Oh, great. But it's just starting to rain right as this one starts. Okay, so we're getting ready to load up again. As a matter of fact, it's starting to rain. We ready for the 5? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Matthias is launching it now. Oh, holy cow.
That's coming down on the car.
Oh, God.
Rocket went that way.
Oh, snap. There it is. And it's landed. Now it's down. And we'll be right back. Close the door.
Oh, that was the tip.
It broke up. Hi guys, can I see it? Dad, can I see it?
Come on out of here, guys.
Dad, can I see that one for YouTube?
Why do you think that was? Why do you think that was? That was just a group bag. Yes, yes, there has. No, we were actually talking about has there been any volume
Oh, 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 oh. Well, we have the blooper rocket right here. Ah, that's hot. Anyways, this one's the blooper one. As you can see, broke up in 2. This is the fuselage just smashed down. Anyways, we got the... Not yet! Bro actually said forget about the pausing. 3, 2, 5. Wait. Oh, that is not high at all.
Deploy.
Watch out!
Watch out!
Holy cow. It's slammed inches away. This is the blooper one again. Now, as you can see, those little dots, that's rain, of course. So this video might be a little shorter, and it just got worse. All the lights turned on. You can actually see the parachute that also failed. Looks like the parachute failed on this one too. I've been breaking up. I'm spreading out this parachute. So on that black one, it's black like the actual thing. My sense plate blur. Anyways, I'm gonna might have to cut this shirt short. These shirts. Anyways, here's the rocket top. Oh, the finger. That finger was just shattered the glass. And of course, the rain has to worse. Right onto the ground, that camera, the thing said. Oh, it's not as it's raining. It finally got cool. People are not understand it's raining. That's crazy. Let's see how many raindrops you get. Anyways, now you got me. 2, 1. Woohoo! Butter! What am I talking about? Right in there. And we have an interviewer. What's up, mate?
So, sir, what is it like being cameraman?
Well, you know, it's kind of interesting. Hold on.
Yes.
Well, hold on. So, what it's like being cameraman is, hold on. Anyways, what it's like being cameraman is I get all the spectacular views. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa!
I can see that you have a view here.
Yeah.
If we come up here?
Yeah, sure, I don't mind. I mean, this is a Dodge, and these things are really powerful. You should see the Ram 1500s. Do you even know any other?
Sir, this is a news channel, not a vehicle shopping channel, sir.
Yeah, I know. Still, these things are cool, and especially with this rocket launching. I just had to turn on flash because of how dark it's getting because it's raining, as you can clearly see.
Yes, we can see very well.
Anyways,
Speaking about weather. No,
anyways, we got our next launch happening right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa.
oh wait, that was one amazing
Oh, it's just
launch.
sparked. It's sparked.
Now you can see why you just love this amazing view here.
I know. And oh snap! It's in the parking lot.
It landed in the parking lot. People are just rushing.
I know.
Over
And that black one, sir, come back up here. Get back up here.
sir, all this time isn't just for interviewing you.
Yeah. That black one has a black parachute, as I heard from the owner. Hey, sir, can I see that? Aw, man. Anyways, it's starting to rain while I'm on air, so that's always a plus. And we're still flooping out here. You can see the flashes on because of how bad it is. Like pretty much all the street lights are on here. Well, lights. Those ones not. That one's not. Anyways, whoop. Ow. As we are having our next launch here in a couple minutes, so I'm gonna ask them a question. So we're gonna get down here. I'm sorry if my pants are stained. I pretty much fell over a couple hours ago. Anyways, Scoozy. So I just got a special request, and I need the news reporter to come with me so I can share those special requests. Oh God. News reporter guy. News reporter guy. I have news for you. Yeah. 5, 4. Hold on. I need focus.
Sir, I can see that you have all the same model. Why
These are prepared use.
My phone isn't focusing. I think my lenses are fogged.
It's like the military. Everybody wears the same uniform. All vehicles have the same stuff. It's easy to fix. Well, wait for the next one, Joe.
What?
Give us a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't care that it's blurry. The only thing I care about is that I get it. Oh, it sparked. There it goes. And butter. News reporter guy. Come here, please. Finally goes back into focus after the launch. What the hey diddle diddle and what the. Anyways, news reporter guy. News reporter.
Unless you're breathing a face full of it with a mask.
Hey, news reporter! I need you! Look up at that sky. It's just clouds and junk. I got a raindrop in my eye and junk on my eyes. news reporter guy. So I was just requested that I could do the last launch.
Did you? You're going to do the last one?
Yeah. Yes, sir. What was that noise? I think it just heard some thunder.
Sir, I just need to go back to the
Yeah, that's the only news I need to tell you. Yeah. Before we do the last launch, I might as well interview the guy who's doing all that stuff. So, hey, Scoozy.
This is the same.
Did you come in?
I used when we did the edge training days back in the beginning of the year.
Hey, excuse me. I have a couple of questions for you. So, how do you exactly get all these on this weird pole?
That launch tube right there. Slides down, holds it in place. It rests on the base with enough distance to launch the rocket.
And then how do you activate it?
Talk to the launch guy over there.
Hey, launch guys!
Back here, please.
Tell me how you launch them.
With this special doodad thing, you press buttons and things happen, and then
Yes,
magic
yeah, you have
goes.
to hold this. You have to hold this until.
Hold on. All right, guys, back up, please. Dylan, thank you.
I'm getting back on air.
Over here. Thank you. Right,
Anyways, I'm gonna get back as it starts raining. And I just dropped my phone. Dang it! Wasn't able to catch it, but because it all suddenly came out. Anyways, there's a black one that's most likely going to be last. AKA the most likely one I'm going to do. And as you can see in the car, lights are on. Because my door is stuck open, so I'm going to just keep you up here for a couple minutes. Yo, go in the driver's seat. Go in the driver's seat.
No.
Alright. Here, why don't we close that?
Wait. What is this?
Something that my dad uses. Oh, it's not. We're launching. It's launching.
Yeah! I want to go on the roof.
Oh yeah, I can fit up here, but it's for recording purposes. Oh shoot! Huh? Can we don't? Anyways, we're gonna go get down there and get an interview. Whoa! For a little bit. Here's all the rockets.
The engine for any of the
Matthias.
went so hard.
There.
Never exploded.
And here's the one that we used at the first.
And it's got the biggest engine in it right now.
Yeah. And holy cow. That was unexpected.
Come on. There we go.
Oh, this one has a black parachute.
Try that one.
Which one's that?
Remember the wings were folded and flopped over?
Oh, isn't that the one that we used before?
So, sir, are these all the same?
Sir, look at this parachute.
What about this one?
Anyways, I'm just gonna throw this over here.
But
Anyways,
here, my cat.
oh god.
Dylan, you wanted to do the black one, right?
Yeah.
Rich, which one are we doing right now? The goofy one?
Can I do it?
Yeah, Lucas, you can do it.
Anyways, so, this is our final countdown. Anyways, we're getting ready for our next launch. Hold on. Oh, great, I'm on the phone. Hello. Hi. Good, we're doing the rocket launching. Anyways, now that we're here on air, got the best view so far. No, I'm firing the black.
I'm doing this one.
Matthias, I need need you to do the cameraman when I'm doing mine. I need you to, Matthias, I need you to hold it like this when mine's is going off. Anyways, we're just gonna jump off here. And 3, 2, 1. Yo, get in. Bro, get in the car and lock it.
Why?
Because so Abram, oh snap. Shoot. Click.
No, can I please get up there?
No.
He's
No.
a test subject, please.
No.
I won't. Dude, we're not going to be your test subjects. I'm not test subjecting you, I promise. Okay, so then what will happen if we go down?
He will test subject us.
Yeah, I won't test subject.
Yeah, totally.
I promise.
Alright, news reporter bye. Goodbye. Anyways, we're just gonna jump here in 3, 2, 1 for our next launch. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, 0. Bro, this phone's indestructible. This is the next generation of Nokia. Anyways, here we are in the studio. Here's our next rocket. This shall be going off any minute now. Got the launcher. Beep. That will be coming on soon.
You're posting it on YouTube?
Yeah. If anyone want to subscribe, snap.
Wait! Can I get on top of that?
No. I already said it. When I say 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see that below. Wow. Whoa! That sounded like fireworks. Not in the inner zone, but. And Abram picks it up. Anyways, this has been filming for 22 minutes. Who knows how many views this will get. Up. And it's my time.
It's really funny too because.
So this is Channel 6 Matthias News. Here's the rocket I'm gonna be whooshing. And here's the microphone guy. Testing. Anyways, if you could see us well, that's because, well, you know, I got flash on, so this guy just gave a thumbs up, and make sure to like and subscribe.
Just a second, bud.
Is it a C rocket?
Is it a what?
Is it a C?
No, it's a D. It's a D. It's a B. But it's a B in a very light rocket.
I wanted an E.
It's two,
So here's
takes 2
the
buttons to launch it.
rocket I'm testing right here.
I got it.
Here, can I hold this for a
Be
second?
careful, please.
Sir,
Because
the
it's
parachute
live.
is large or
Watch your
average?
feet.
Is it? It's pretty much the black one. It's this one. This is the size of the parachute.
Did you want one more?
Here, can I have it?
So this is the motor for.
Can I have it?
Dylan, in that box right there.
It's hot on the bottom.
Yeah, no duh. Oh,
And also, Rich, that's when I put the glue on to hold the fin back.
here's an engine, most likely used. Oh, yo, let me see yours. Let me see your engine.
It's hot on the bottom.
I know.
Dylan, don't drop it. Put it in the back of the box. Please.
No, this one's Matthias's. There you go, sir. Anyways, anything to say?
You are not being interviewed.
Anyways, we're getting ready soon. Anyways, we're launching in a couple of minutes. Got the one disease thingy.
Come over here, Dylan.
Anyways, we got our launcher right here. Here's a good look at it. Mention off flash because there's a light.
This one's broken.
Yeah,
Nah, it's usable. It's just got some dirt in it because it nosedived.
right into the ground.
Like a spear. It was like a lawn jar.
Like this.
Put it over there, please.
Wait, I'm pushing it.
I want to count down.
Alright.
Hey, take a video.
5.
Hold on. He's gonna take a video.
Right.
Hold on.
Hang on.
Hold up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
It's not blast off. That went high.
There it is. Guys, I watched it. I got it.
Yeah, he did launch it though. I can say that.
Guys, I launched it, so can I have it?
It's his. He got it. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you.
You launched it.
Anyways, we got my rocket right here. And oh, my screen just turned dark. Anyways, here it is.
Thanks, I'll put it right in the pile.
Just gonna eat.
Oh, you know why? It did deploy, but it had one of those small parachutes on it. Yeah.
It just didn't deploy fully.
That went almost perfectly straight up.
Yeah. It looked like I was actually going to space. Oh God. Oh. Run me over! He's a zombie! Someone run me over! That's not me.
Yo, he's a zombie.
Oh God. Run for your life! Matthias, to the car! Matthias! Go fast! Fast and furious! Shoot! Quick, get up here!
Okay, dude, free bites, okay? Free bites.
Close! We're close.
He can't get up here.
That zombie can't get us.
This guy can't go on top.
Only this guy can.
Can I go on top of that one?
No. I said no. What? Hi, can I do an edit? Oh God! Oh snap! A pie's going on! The pie.